Hello dear 8th graders, how are you? Let's talk a little bit about x and y-intercept, our last class, and work some exercise over here. Great. As you remember guys, I told you what is x and y-intercept. X-intercept, as you know, is when your line graph touches x-axis. Great. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept you know already. Y-intercept is when your line graph touches y-axis. Great. Here we have some example over here. I think you remember from our class. 0 and 8 here on the top in purple. And we have here 8 and 0 on the bottom. The ordered pairs. Remember ordered pairs all the time is x and y. X, comma, y all the time. Remember, the idea for find it algebraically is easy. The first, to find x-intercept, you need set y equal to 0, y equal to 0, and solve for x. You will solve for x. And to find the y-intercept of an equation, you need set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Great. The same idea here, we find the exercise over here, we solve this in the classroom. But let's solve a new one. Here we solve in the classroom too, I think you remember. Great. And this one, let me solve number 4 to you guys. Number 4 is pretty simple over here. I have my x-intercept. As you know, I'm telling you my y equals 0. Let's do it then. Instead, I don't have y anymore here. Okay, let's figure out that I don't have y anymore. I'm telling you x equals 2. As you notice here, my x equals 2. Or my ordered pair. I think you remember. My ordered pair is x and y. I have x here, x is 2, and my y it is 0. Great. Right now, let's work on the other guy here. Let's work with you. Let's use here y-intercept. Y-intercept, guys, you know, I'm telling x right now is 0. Right now, I'll just erase this guy here. And right now, I'm telling you x is 0. I don't have x anymore. I'm telling you negative y equals 2, but I don't want a negative variable. I think you remember. Let's move the opposite, move negative y for this side, and move 2, positive 2 to the other side, it will be negative 2. And y equals negative 2. Then my ordered pair here is x is 0, as I told, and negative 2. Here is my pairs. Easy, yes? Pretty easy. Here, it's the same thing. Let's do it in blue. I'll solve number 6, guys. Number 6 over here. I'm telling you y equals 0, x-intercept. I'm telling you y equals 0. Then I don't have this guy here. 10 times 0, 0. Great. And I have 8x equals negative 10. Right now I need to divide by 8, this side here, don't have anymore. X equals negative 10 over 8. I divide by 2 to simplify it. Divide by 2, divide by 2. My new result is negative 5 fourths. My x is negative 5 fourths. Let's write down here. My x-intercept, it is negative 5 fourths, comma 0. And the other one, mister, right now, let's do it in green. Let's find out this green right now. My green, it is y-intercept. As you know, y-intercept. And I tell you, hey, my x right now is 0. Your x is 0 here. Goodbye x. Goodbye 8 times x, 0. As you know, I don't have this number anymore. Right now, 10y's equals negative 10. How many times 10 goes into negative 10? One negative time. Let's do it just one, negative 1. And my pair is over here. I know first my x right now is 0. And my y is negative 1. Done. This one, I think you remember, you find x and y, we did in the class. And after you find x and y, you plot the points and you draw the line. Great. We did this in the classroom. I think you remember, guys. It's pretty simple. Example here, the first one, number 7. X plus y equals 3. I'm telling you to, hey, right now I'm looking for x. I'm telling y equals 0. When it happens, I tell you x plus 0 equals 3. Or just to have this x equals 3. 3 and 0, the first order pairs. The second one, I'm telling you right now, hey, right now x is 0. I look for y. And y equals 3. Y equals 3 over here, 0 and 3. And I have my order pairs, 3 up and 3 run. Here, 3 up and 3 run. And I have here my line graph. Great. And here's our class, guys. I think remember as you take it, what are x and y intercept? They are points at which the line intersects. The x-axis is called x-intercept. And the point at which the line intersects, the y-axis, is called the y-intercept. That's it, guys. Pretty simple class today. Remember homework, study for our next test. See you next class, guys. Have a good Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.